Perfect.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. Today I have lyrics here to do. You guys can tell that by the title. I'm doing her hair again. I think this is the fourth time. Yeah, I think this is the fourth time I'm doing her hair. So today we're gonna be doing something mega shono. So I won't describe it just yet, but I'll show you guys, what we'll be doing today. I'm setting my edges and my cornrows. I have braids under this. So I will be using my phone to do maps, so I will not be like vlogging every single second, but you guys will get the essence of this vlog. Y'all already know what to do. Before we get too far into the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and if you're new to the channel, babes, thank you so much for hitting that button. Thanks so much for joining our family. Gang. I'm gonna drink my tea yet. But I just have to leave the house. So we kind of run like an hour behind. God. Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing something cute, something fun. We're never really sure what we want to go for. We kind of have an idea, but I'm gonna wing it and hopefully it come out cute. I was up all night making these locks, guys, like all freaking night. I did not sleep last night. I get probably like an hour. Yeah. So hopefully she'll love it. Oh my god. Hopefully she'll love it and everything go good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave her now. I mean, alone just can't not drink some warm in the morning. Like, people do that though. I have to have coffee. Like, I have to. I've been drinking it so much. When I don't have it, I have a headache, which isn't a good thing, but I don't know. It's more filling to me than tea, and I love tea, but it's more filling than tea. This gloss, girl. Yes. The man you blocked me up on my arm. Oh God. Get your middle name, tell me grandma. I love this song. When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Hey. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. Alright, so yeah, I could do it now. My coffee tastes good though. I can't get over that. Oh Lord. If anybody's wondering about this cup, I got it from some diva something per Instagram. She was having a sale. It was so cute. I got two, one in black and one in white, one from my husband and one from me. So cute. Am I gonna move now? I'm not moving, I'm gonna move. No, I'm gonna need to show that man I'm in my way right now. Come, brother man. E. Oh, guys, I wonder what the road is like right now. Woo. So, turbulence. I'm gonna have to get gas, and I'm not really sure. I don't even know if it makes sense. Oh, this is my shit. That's my song, babe. You just gotta be worthy. Yeah. But you don't gotta be perfect.
Yeah. Until the end of time, woman, you will always be mine. And I'm sure, yes, I'm sure, I need you more and more. I'm never gonna leave you, girl. I need you, girl, the only one for me. And whenever I see you, girl, and touch you, girl, I know just what you need. Just like boats upon the Nile, oh, won't you sail away with me? Been waiting, I'm ready. Kiss up on your make and let me tell you all the things them where you like. Me love it when you're looking at me eyes. Me and you together, girl, me promise I will never leave your side. Me say that cold, me not go hide. Empress is so natural, the rasta man you like. We keep it burning like the bingy fireside. In a me heart, you always reside. When we together, this a lover's paradise. Now leave you, girl, I need you, girl, the only one.
Alright guys, so I finished her hair. It's now this, right? It's like after 1. So I am about to get something to eat. Yeah, I'm legit just stop on the side of the road. Come here to try to figure out which one I do. Because I never eat on it from morning. I did make a sandwich and the sandwich still the same way. So yeah, my corn rolls and stuff. I feel like this is definitely going to be a one-day vlog, guys, because I just wanted to make another vlog of me doing lyrics here again. We're planning out what the next look are gonna be. It's crazy. Ugh.
Everybody doubting me, but girl, you stuck around. Time is precious, baby girl, let's not let it go by. What I've been doing shows, I swear I ain't do you wrong. Waiting for my fire, how am I so deep?
Alright guys, so I'm finally home. This is a very short vlog. There wasn't really anything much to show, but I did get a burger that is still sitting in the bag, and I just picked up some fruits. I got some bananas. Marla love bananas, guys. I got some grapes, and I got strawberries. So that festive. That knows I'm tired. Like I'm tired. I go just, you know, see me can get the race. I know I lie. I really want to edit one video. I'm trying to catch this momentum that you guys have picked up from the viral video. I consider it viral. You guys see why I always love nails, because my hand them just small. Like maybe them just small compared to my head, but I just feel like I always feel like I have really small hands. They are small though, to be honest. But anyways, that's besides the point. When I can't chat, what I'm trying to do is just catch this momentum that's coming over from the viral video that I have right now. I consider it viral because I guess it is viral, because the last I check, which was probably yesterday, it was at 80,000 views, and it's only been a week. Both them time there, yeah. So that's pretty good, you know. That's better than a lot of my other videos do. I just hope you guys, you know, I really want you guys to show the same support to the regular content that I put out. I know that one was very unexpected. That was the first thing, but because the video was unexpected, I think that's the reason why it blew up the way it did. But yeah, I really appreciate, like, you guys have no idea how much I just want to reply to every single comment under that video, because I see them when they come in and I'm reading them, and it's just so heartfelt. My heart just feels full to everybody who has had a similar experience. But I also appreciate people who let me know, girl, you did the right thing by putting this video out. I really appreciate you guys. Like, you guys have no idea. But I just wish I could have just like teleport and just tell you guys thanks just for supporting the video and just for letting me know how you feel down in the comments. I'm gonna try to heart them, but I'm still trying to figure out when I can sit down and answer everyone, because I literally want to answer every single one. I'm gonna do it, you know. I do it tonight before I go sleep. I'm gonna sit down and answer all of the comments them, because they're in the hundreds. Yeah. So I need for answer, because I'm so, it's just, I don't know, I don't even know how to tell you guys how I feel. Read the feedback from that video. But I just hope you guys continue to rock with me. You know, I have a lot more content coming. You guys are gonna be so proud of me. I'm not even playing with you. A lot of collabs, yeah girl. A lot of different types of videos that I've been wanting to bring to my channel for the longest time, guys. Like, you don't even know. But yeah, we'll eat more content, babe. Stay tuned. You're going to love it. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. My love, no. Like, cook food, girl. My love, no. I appreciate you guys so much. I really want to do something for you guys. I'm trying to figure out what. God no, because you guys just can't be pouring out all this love on me and me just feel like, nah. I want to go live one day I want to go live on either Instagram or on YouTube one day soon, and just talk to you guys in real time. I love y'all. Continue to follow my business, NaturallyMsToya. Follow me on Instagram to see, you know, my work. See you guys in my next video. Until next time, y'all already know, stay naturally beautiful.